Case 1. Some people do this question in the way that 2 is cancelled with 2. So, -7 plus 7. Their answer will be equal to 0. Case 2. Some people do this question in the way that -7r plus 7r cancel, so their answer will be ruled by 2, which will be equal to 1. And some people do this question by case 3. According to case 3, first they will multiply -7 plus 14 divided by 2. -7 plus 14 will be equal to 7 by 2, which is the answer of case 3. So you have to tell me which is correct case. Either case 1, which have 0 answer, case 2, which has 1 answer, and case 3, which has 7 by 2 answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.